Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious hot dog rolled omelet with cheese. So let's get started. Alright, for the main ingredients to make our delicious hot dog rolled omelet with cheese, we have an Oscar Mayer Smoky. It's a hardwood smoked sausage, or you can use regular hot dog, but this is really a tasty hot dog, right? Alright, and 1 slice of American cheese and 3 grade A large eggs. Alright, let's put our cheese on a nice little plate, just like that. Put that aside, and let's take our eggs away for now. Alright, and to make our rolled omelet with our hot dog really easy, we're going to take a skewer, right? It's just a bamboo wooden skewer, and we're going to stick that right through the middle. See if we can come out the middle. Alright, that looks pretty good. That skewer is almost in the middle, right? Okay, let's go ahead and put that on a plate next to our cheese. And now let's start making our egg mixture. Alright, let's bring in a nice bowl and let's crack some eggs in there. Now we're going to season that to taste. We're going to add a little salt, pepper, garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of parsley flakes, 1 tablespoon of water. Now we're going to go beat that up, right guys? Alright, yep. Okay, that looks pretty good. Alright, there's our egg mixture, all done up nice. Now let's start making our delicious hot dog rolled omelet with cheese. So let's get started. Alright, and today we're using our Nordic Ware mini griddle. It's a non-stick griddle, and it's about 7.5 by 10.5 inches long. And we're going to set our burner to medium high. And we're going to put a little peanut oil in the pan. And we're going to take our nice hot dog with our skewer, and we're going to put that right in there just like this. And we're going to brown our Oscar Mayer hardwood smoked sausage, lightly, and cook it through. Did you see that, guys? It's like a jumping hot dog. Alright. Okay, our hot dog looks to be done. Now we're going to set our burner to medium low. Let's get that out of there, and we'll put that right on a plate next to our cheese. Look at that, that's beautiful. Nice hot dog. Alright, now this is going to taste a little more like a sausage hot dog, so it's going to be really tasty. Alright, let's put this aside for now. Okay, now we're going to take our egg mixture and we're going to beat that up a little bit. Get those seasonings mixed in and that parsley. Okay, and we're going to pour about 1/3 of that in there, or maybe all of it. Put it all in there. Okay, we're going to wait for our egg to firm up just a little bit. Alright, our eggs firmed up nicely. Now we're going to take our cheese and we're going to put that right on top of there, just like that. Now we're going to take our beautiful hot dog that we just cooked up, and we're going to put that right up here just like this with our skewer through there, right? And we're going to go ahead and take a spatula and we're going to start rolling this up. Let's see if we can get under here. And we'll just roll it up. Just like that. Take our skewer. And we'll slide it back. And we'll roll it up again. Alright, that looks pretty good. Now let's slide it back. And let's go ahead and finish rolling this up. Boy, is that big, guys. Alright, there it is. Perfect. Alright, our delicious hot dog rolled omelet with cheese is done, so let's shut off our burner. And let's put that on a cutting board and we'll have a taste. Alright, here's our delicious looking hot dog rolled omelet with cheese. Boy, doesn't that look good? I can't wait to have a taste of that. That's really good looking. Boy, does that smell good. Alright, let's get that off of there and we'll have a taste. We'll put it on that cutting board, right? So let's pick it up. We'll move our mini griddle out of the way and put this delicious looking hot dog rolled omelet with cheese right there. And let's pull out the skewer. Alright. Boy, doesn't that look good? I'll bet you this is going to taste really good. Alright, let's go ahead and cut that up into little sections and we'll have a nice bite. Now you could serve maybe 2 people with this, you know, it depends on how hungry you are, right? But I think I'm going to eat this by myself today because it's really, really a nice meal. And we're eating that for lunch, so it's good. Alright, let me slice this up and we'll have a nice taste. Okay, let's move it a little bit so I can cut it better. And we'll cut nice little sections off here. Just like that. Pays to have a sharp knife, guys, so. Alright, there you go. Move these out where you can see them better. Boy, are they nice. Beautiful. They're very hot though. Okay. And there's the end one. He's way in there though. Boy, doesn't that look good. I can't wait to have a taste, so let's get into a bite. Let me try this one right here. Look at this, guys. Look at that cheese in there and that beautiful hot dog. And that rolled omelet. Alright, let me have a bite and I'll let you guys know how it tastes. That's delicious. Boy, does this make a great lunch. Or even a breakfast. Alright, you know what would go good with this since we're having this for a delicious lunch? You may have guessed this one, guys. We're going to have a nice cold wobble pop with this one. Yep, that does sound good. Alright, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe and I'll catch you on the next one. Delicious hot dog rolled omelet with cheese. Boy, does that sound good. That's what's for lunch today. Yep. I just gotta have another little bite. Or should I say a big bite? Alright. Is that good? You're gonna love these. Catch you on the next one.